Right, so I would take it from here. A heartiest welcome to each and every one of you in Asian Achievers Award 2020. And we all have been waiting for this day. We have a really exceptionally amazing set of people today. And before I proceed, I would once again request everybody to please mute your mic. It's been
Saiba, you are
wonderful.
not clearly audible. Earlier, you were little audible. This time, either you come near to the mic, because it seems that as you are speaking from far away. Sorry, I have disturbed you, but still,
Oh, that's okay. Okay, I'll
first
just
time you were very
get it
clear.
checked with the team. Please just check and tell me if I'm audible properly or not.
Saiba, you are audible. Only that pitch is
Sometimes,
little slow.
sometimes she is very much audible, but sometimes if there is an internet problem from the any participant side, then that might be a small
Yeah, that
problem.
might be one reason.
No,
But you just
Saiba, sir,
refresh.
I'm so sorry I'm disturbing you. She's very clearly audible. Only I'm talking about the pitch. Earlier, pitch was clear, and now the pitch is quite clear. Either you come near to the mic or increase the mic.
Actually, ma'am, she is
Otherwise,
using.
continuation is okay.
No issue. Veena
she
ji
is
will just get it
using.
checked.
Yeah, please, please,
We'll get it
please.
checked with the team. Is the audio okay?
Hello.
एक बार चेक कर लीजिए क्यों स्लो आ रहा है बिकॉज माइक तो कनेक्टेड है.
ठीक है. अब ये सब काम.
नमस्कार. हेलो.
जी नमस्कार.
हेलो. नमस्कार sir. This is Gajendra Kumar from Om Vishwadeep Gurukul Jardin Ashram, Rajasthan, and presently working as yoga.
आपका स्वागत है गजेंद्र जी इस
Thank you so much,
एशिया
sir.
अचीवन अवार्ड में आपका स्वागत है, अभिनंदन है.
Very happy to meet all of you, sir. Very happy to meet. Thank you, sir.
Over to Shaiba.
Hello,
Again.
hello.
हेलो.
Hello. Good morning, sir. Hello. 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 Good morning, sir.
Very good morning.
हेलो. मैं गुजरात से हूँ. डॉक्टर जयंतीलाल बोल रहा हूँ. हेलो. हेलो.
तू कर ले कोई.
गुड मॉर्निंग सर. हेलो. हेलो.
I think so.
So I guess
Shaiba.
we are quite a lot of people here. Yes, sir. जी.
Yes. Please continue.
हाँ जी. So I think quite a lot of people. Moving forward, I would like to request Mr. Davis Jain, Prestige Feed Mill Limited से है, Prestige Education Foundation से है. गुजारिश करना चाहूंगी कि सर प्लीज कुछ चंद शब्द कहें. डेविस जी अगर मेरी आवाज सुन पा रहे हैं.
Namaskar and good morning. I'm delighted to receive the Asian Achievers Award 2020 for Prestige Education Foundation in the category of Outstanding Contribution to Professional Education in Central India, and also the award for the Most Trusted Food Products Company of the Year. Our flagship company, Prestige Feed Mills Limited, Indore. I would like to express my humble the founding father of the group Prestige Industries and Prestige Education Foundation, Padma Shri Dr. Devnath Jain, my dear father. Commitment is the power of a healthy and enlightened India. Prestige Education Foundation set up 26 years ago, invested in the education sector, what my father earned all his life. Today, in our 4 campuses in 3 major cities of central India, Indore, Gwalior, more than 30,000 students from KG to PhD with over 10,000 pursuing professional courses. These 25 years,
गूगल कोई भी आए ना बिजनेस कर अभी और नहीं आ रही है
and technocrats are spreading the glory of prestige in the country and across the world. Many qualified faculty, curriculum, and research and consultancy for the trade industry. Latest addition, the combination of Founder's Dream is the Prestige University, an ambitious project which will be launched in Indore in the next year. Difference. In addition, me and my next generation to carry on the legacy with the presence of these 10 major cities of the country. I believe that education must not only develop skills, but the ability to think innovatively. In the light of the national development, entrepreneurs will play a very great role. Therefore, focus on development apart from fundamentals of the education. Adult Incubation Center, a matter of pride for Prestige Inspire Foundation nurtures. Young entrepreneurs share the new ideas of business. The center checks the viability. It is assessed that idea can be converted into viable business. The mentors at AIC in this way are preparing youth who are not job seekers, but in fact job providers. It also gives me great pleasure that our flagship company, Prestige Foods Limited, has been adjudged the most trusted food products company of the year in the which is marked by the coronavirus, wherein food and immunity has played a very critical role. I'm also happy to share that Prestige Group is making value-added products of soybean. Soya oil is our popular product. We also make and sell soybean, soya flour, textured soya protein, and many other soya consumers in the country and abroad. Prestige is also one of the few industries that are making advanced soya value-added products like lecithin. Corona epidemic once again taught us a lesson to eat healthy. Love fast food and street foods. With this question, whether we are living for food, whether we are living for food or eating for living. The human body designed by a creator is a unique blessing. It is the most
उसको बोलो हटा के दोबारा रिफ्रेश कर
maintained.
कौन सा चाहिए ना फिर
This doctor is called liquid. With essential vitamins, minerals, and proteins. The affordable and most efficient natural source of protein is soybean. Soya oil is the most affordable.
we request you to please transfer your
So soybean was called the Kamdhenu by Mahatma Gandhi. I believe that soybean can eliminate malnutrition from our country, and as the chairman of the Soybean Processors Association of India, it is my endeavor to make available this rich masses in our country. Friends, the Honorable Prime Minister of our country, Shri Narendra Modi ji, while giving the message of Clean India, said that only a clean India can be healthy. Recently, he message of Eat Right. I am
500
humbled
ml left on your data.
to receive these awards today. Thank you, friends, and Jai Hind.
क्या हुआ?
500 कितना आपको 1.5 ही मिलता है?
पता नहीं।
तो वही बता रहा 500 ml लगी है बस।
इससे ज्यादा ट्रेड नहीं कर पाऊंगा। चार्ज करा दे।
ये चार्ज नहीं होता, इसकी तो डेली लिमिट होती है।
डाटा फिनिश होने के बाद बंद हो जाएगा। 500 MB कितनी देर में?
सर नेक्स्ट इंट्रोडक्शन आपको ये, आप आ जाओ पैनल में। सर अभी एंकर इंट्रोडक्शन कराइए, उसके बाद जैसे ही चीफ गेस्ट आएंगे वो आपका इंट्रोडक्शन कर देंगे। तो बस आपको ही होना। ठीक है फिर मैं आपका भी रोकी थी ना, आपका इंट्रोडक्शन। ठीक है ओके, नो इश्यूज सर, नो इश्यूज। ओके मेरा 60,000 का पैनल है।
नहीं तो ये 500 MB भी खत्म हो जाएगा। तो वो उसमें आया हुआ था, रिक्वेस्ट कर सकते हैं।
वही करूँगा।
जब फिनिश होगा तब 1 बजे तक है।
Mr. Pushkar Sharma, you are on. Please mute.
ओके, म्यूट कर।
सर ये मास्टर है ये मोबाइल सर लॉक के पूरे जिंदे
गुड ये पेशेंट नंबर
हमारे साथ और चीफ गेस्ट ऐड हो रहा है इतने।
हमारे कुछ और चीफ गेस्ट हमारे साथ जुड़ने वाले हैं बहुत ही जल्द। सो इन द मेन टाइम हमारे कुछ पार्टिसिपेंट्स रह गए थे, हम धीरे धीरे सबको जान रहे हैं, सबके बारे में सुन रहे हैं, उनके प्रोफेशन के बारे में सुन रहे हैं।
हेलो हाँ जी सर एक्चुअली क्या है कि होस्ट आप अभी साहिबा को होस्ट नहीं बनाया है।
आना कटारिया जी हमारे साथ हैं।
तो सृष्टि सर जस्ट अ मिनट में चेक करती हूँ। ओके हाँ सर एक बार अभी चेक किया था। अभी म्यूट है सर।
ठीक है सर, ठीक है।
पुष्कर शर्मा, healthcare. Okay, so moving forward, I hope I'm audible to everybody. Am I audible? आप लोग अपना हाथ रेज कर सकते हैं if I'm audible. Okay, great. So moving forward, I would like to introduce Dr. Pushkar Sharma. He is from he's the healthcare icon of the year, and बहुत शुभकामनाएं मैं पुष्कर जी को देना चाहूंगी for winning this award. And also, I would like Dr. Pushkar to please say a few words to everybody present in the conference.
Hello.
जी पुष्कर जी.
Thanks to all for this award, for this achievement, especially Asian Achievers Award from Asia, and hardly thanks.
सर कुछ अपने बारे में बताइए, कुछ अपनी वर्किंग के बारे में हमें बताइए पुष्कर जी, कैसे आपका योगदान रहा, क्या क्या आपको चैलेंजेस आए? आई थिंक एवरीबॉडी इज वेटिंग टू हियर फ्रॉम यू.
Ma'am, I'm a general physician, and especially for specialization for cancer and immune and typhoid, for skin and joint disorder. I'm working with my wife, and from last 5 generation, I'm running my institute hospital in Chiragli, south of Delhi.
That's great, sir. It's a pleasure to have you here, and once again, a hearty congratulations for winning the award.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. And बहुत जल्द हमारे साथ हमारे कुछ चीफ गेस्ट जुड़ने वाले हैं, मैं उनको भी इंट्रोड्यूस करने वाली हूँ कुछ ही देर में. In the meantime, we have a few more participants which I am adding. जितने लोग अभी अभी जुड़े हैं उनका भी बहुत बहुत स्वागत मैं करना चाहूंगी. And before I introduce any other chief guests which are yet to join us, I would like to move forward with the knowing each other process which was on. So हम लोग एक दूसरे के बारे में जान रहे थे. We were knowing about each other's profession. So आगे बढ़ते हुए मैं बात करना चाहूंगी. हमारे बीच में है आर्यन ग्रुप से है. आर्यन ग्रुप से हमारे बीच में एक पार्टिसिपेंट मौजूद है. आर्यन ग्रुप से.
Yes. Am I audible? Am I audible? Yeah.
Yes, you are audible.
Yes. Yeah. Am I audible? Okay.
Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
Okay.
So everybody is easily can speak, and rest of the people can listen properly.
Thank you very much. A very good afternoon to all worthy dignitaries present here. Again, a very good afternoon. So I'm Dr. Garima, coordinator at Aryans Grove. I'm here on behalf of Dr. Anshu Kataria, who is chairman of Aryans Grove. We have 8 colleges in our campus, and our campus is around stressed in around 21 acre of land. So we have engineering, pharma, nursing, law, and education. So yes, this year it was very challenging for us because we have students from far off places like Jammu and Kashmir, Bihar, UP, Sikkim, all over the north region mainly, and Nepal too. So when this COVID it came in the it was a very devastating experience for us, because we have to make sure कि हम उन बच्चों को उनके places पे पहुंचाएं, और जो नहीं जा सके उनके लिए हम proper arrangement कर पाएं कि वो campus में एक safe way में रह पाएं. So it was very challenging for us. So our chairman sir is having some busy schedule. So I'm here on behalf of Dr. Anshu Kataria. Thank you so much.
It's a pleasure to have you here, and thank you for your wonderful words and enlightening us with the kind of services you have been giving in this tough time. And moving forward, I would like to introduce Dr. Vijay Nandaraj Yogji, Golf Design India se hai, and he is our awardee today, India's most trusted golf architect firm. And heartiest welcome, sir. If I'm audible to you, I would address our audience, our participants. विजीत जी अगर मेरी आवाज सुन पा रहे हैं विजीत जी am I audible to you? अच्छा okay. So as Vijit ji is taking a while to join us, we're going to be patient in that scenario, and I would
few of our participants are writing on a group that the voice is not very much audible. The problem is that many people open their mic and the background voice is coming like as a very irritating manner. So it is, if you want to say something, just raise your hand from the part. You will go the part of participant and you just go into the part of chat and you will just simply raise your hand. So it is very easy to everyone to find out easy way. Our host will bring all of you in a sequence so rest of people can hear you properly. We already open your side, you can unmute anytime yourself. But if you did not mute the mic, then background noises will disturb the whole webinar. Please take care of this part. Back to host.
So as sir just mentioned, thank you, sir. And I once again request everybody to please keep your mic mute unless requested. I would be asking everybody one by one to say a few words, come forward and say a few words. But till then, I request you all to please keep your mic on mute because it brings a lot of disturbance in the conference. Everybody has been sparing their precious time to be here. So we are hoping that everything goes really smooth. So आगे बढ़ते हुए हम बात कर रहे थे डॉक्टर मनीष दे जी से. डॉक्टर मनीष जी आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत एंड कुछ मैं आपके काम के बारे में जानना चाहूंगी एंड किस तरीके के चैलेंजेस आपको इस दौरान आए कोविड टाइम्स में, तो वो हम आपसे जानना चाहेंगे. मनीष जी आप मेरी आवाज सुन पा रहे हैं?
आप मेरा आवाज सुन पा रहे हैं अभी?
जी जी सर आपकी आवाज आ रही है.
हाँ, मैं तो कोलकाता में अपोलो क्लिनिक का साथ अटैच्ड हूँ. आई एम अ मेडिकल ऑन्कोलॉजिस्ट, मींस आई यूज ड्रग्स टू किल कैंसर सेल्स. इस टाइम में दौरान कोविड का टाइम में जो प्रॉब्लम मैंने फेस किया कि हम लोग का तो ओरल केमोथेरेपी रहते हैं और इंजेक्टेबल केमोथेरेपी रहते हैं, और जो इंजेक्टेबल केमोथेरेपी हम लोग देते हैं वो शेड्यूल्ड एक डोज में हम लोग को देना पड़ता है, शेड्यूल्ड डेज ऑफ इंटरवल में देना पड़ता है, जैसे 21 या 28 डेज में. पर ड्यूरिंग द लॉकडाउन पीरियड इसलिए क्या हुआ, कुछ पेशेंट का प्रॉब्लम हो गया कि वो शेड्यूल जो डोज या ये ड्यू टू कोविड लॉकडाउन हम लोग ठीक से नहीं दे पा रहे थे. वही चैलेंजेस हम लोग को फेस करना पड़ा कि थोड़ा जो डिले होना पड़ा, उसका जब नेक्स्ट डोज दिए कैसे उसको मैनेज करना, फिर उसको क्या ओरल केमोथेरेपी में कन्वर्ट कर पाएंगे कि नहीं. और जो केमोथेरेपी पेशेंट्स रहते हैं उनका इम्यूनिटी वैसे भी डाउन होते हैं, तो इसलिए क्या कोविड टाइम्स में उन लोग का इन्फेक्शन होने का बहुत चांसेस रहते हैं. तो उसको कैसे प्रिवेंट करना, थोड़ा इम्यूनिटी कैसे बढ़ाना, यही चैलेंजेस मैंने फेस किया ड्यूरिंग दिस पीरियड. मेरा मेन जो मोटो
really challenging time.
Right. But the thing is, see, the COVID will get over very soon. We'll get the vaccine. But the main thing, मेरा जो ultimate मैं टाटा मेडिकल सेंटर से experience 2-3 years I did my course post graduation from there. So what I feel कि हम लोग screening के बारे में कैंसर का उतना हम लोग का इधर में प्रचार नहीं है, क्योंकि most of the patients जब diagnosis होता है they go to like a general physician or a pulmonologist. So ऐसा अगर हम लोग कुछ rule बना पाते हैं कि any patient after 50 years of age do certain tests, like there are some scans, some tumor marker test, जो routine जो कुछ tests है, अगर वो हम लोग कर पाएंगे और कैंसर को अगर अर्ली डिटेक्ट कर पाएंगे, तो कुछ कैंसर है जैसे ब्रेस्ट कैंसर, कोलोन कैंसर, ये these are totally curable, so we can go for that. तो इसके बारे में कैंसर स्क्रीनिंग के ऊपर चाहता हूँ कि आगे बढ़कर कुछ करूँ.
That's really great, sir. I think you have a vision, and which is very important. एक vision होना बहुत जरूरी है, and I think you're doing a wonderful job by serving the cancer patients.
Thank you.
And all the very best for that. And moving forward, I would like to introduce Dr. Latika Bhatia हमारे बीच में है. लतिका जी, अगर मेरी आवाज सुन पा रहे हैं तो कुछ अपने बारे में हमें बताइए, कुछ अपने काम के बारे में और कुछ अपने इस दौरान आए चैलेंजेस के बारे में कुछ बातें हमसे शेयर कीजिए. लतिका जी, अगर मेरी आवाज सुन रही है.
Yes, yes. First of all, very good afternoon to one and all. Very good afternoon to one and all. I'm immensely gratified and overwhelmed to be receiving this prestigious award, and it gives me immense pleasure to introduce myself in front of eminent personalities like you all people. Myself, Dr. Latika Bhatia, have been serving this noble profession of education since past 15 years, out of which having almost 13 years of experience in the higher positions and at administrative posts. And I believe that education is always a learning process, and myself, not even as an educator, I'm not even as an facilitator, but also a recipient of learning. I feel immense privilege to announce that this year I have completed my PhD in commerce, apart from which I have also several degrees like MA in education leadership from the United States, MCom, MBA, diploma in educational leadership and management from UK, diploma in taxation law, a diploma in German. I'm currently also pursuing B.Ed, and that's all I would like to introduce myself, and I would thank the jury for considering my candidature worth the award.
Hats off to your dedication, and you have quite a lot of experience, plus you have been studying side by side, and till date you have not given up on education, so commendable, totally commendable, and it indeed is a noble profession, like you said. And pleasure to have you here. Heartiest congratulations for the award, and बहुत ही अच्छा लगा आपके बारे में जान के. So आगे बढ़ते हुए मैं इंट्रोड्यूस करना चाहूंगी, हमारे बीच में डॉक्टर बाबू एस पिंजर जी, द बेस्ट पायलट मार्केटिंग कंपनी. बहुत बहुत स्वागत आपका मैं करना चाहूंगी. सर, अगर मेरी आवाज सुन पा रहे हैं तो कुछ चंद शब्द अपने बारे में कहें, हमारी ऑडियंस को, हमारे पार्टिसिपेंट्स को कुछ अपने बारे में बताएं. Sir, you'll have to unmute yourself.
Saiba ji, you please ask him to unmute virtually. So one ping gone to
बाबू
his.
एस पिंजर जी, आपसे गुजारिश करना चाहूंगी कि प्लीज अपना माइक अनम्यूट कीजिए एंड प्लीज एड्रेस द ऑडियंस. So I have sent a unmute request to sir. So I request you to please accept the unmute request and also unmute video request to be able to speak to our conference. Somebody make a call and tell him he'll have to accept the unmute request. Okay. So as we could not hear from sir, so I would move to the next participant of our conference. कीर्ति परमार जी है हमारे साथ फ्रॉम यूके गैलेक्सी टैब S1. कीर्ति जी बहुत बहुत आपका स्वागत है.
Namaste.
चाहूंगी
Can you hear me clearly?
Absolutely we can, ma'am. चाहूंगी कुछ चंद शब्द आप हमारी ऑडियंस से हमारे पार्टिसिपेंट से कहें.
Thank you for inviting me to introduce myself. I'm a student of Gajendra sir, and I'm learning yoga online with him every day. And I couldn't be so happy. Such a very well teacher he is in yoga. And we have session for 1 hour every day. And in this lockdown, in UK, we are in second lockdown now, national lockdown. So the yoga he teaches me, it really helps me a lot. And to participate in his achievement today as a guest, I would like to thank him for inviting me to this. And it's about 7 a.m. in UK, but I'm waiting patiently and enjoying your event in India very, very much. Thank you so much. Thank you, Gajendra sir.
First and foremost, thank you so much for your patience. I can see the lot of technical glitches happening and still everybody has been keeping the patience. So thanks for that. I'm full of gratitude for everybody doing so. And also, I think yoga is just an amazing form of art. I would just take a moment here as you just you picked up the topic. So I would just take a moment here to say that awareness about it has been already happening on massive platforms. Everybody is gradually getting more and more involved. I do it as and when I get time. So everybody else also, we are facing a lot of health related issues. So I've personally experienced that if you try and be more regular, more disciplined with yoga, major issues of your life will be resolved. So I think you're already on the right track and you have a wonderful trainer.
Yes, thank you so much. Yeah, and I do advise everybody to make time in yoga session. It's very important in our daily life, especially nowadays with what's happening around us. So 1 hour session you can do in the evening whenever you get time, but every day we must try and do it a session. And I'm very, very happy for Gajendra sir to get this introduction and to invite me to your award achievements today. And I would like to say congratulations to all the hosts for a wonderful job they've done and excellent, and all the achievers as well. Congratulations. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am, to you as well for speaking to our audience and wonderfully addressing everyone. It's our pleasure to have you here. And moving forward now. You're welcome, ma'am. Moving forward, I would like to move to Dr. Nikunj Agarwal. निकुंज जी हमारे बीच में है. निकुंज जी अगर मेरी आवाज सुन पा रहे हैं तो चाहूंगी कुछ चंद शब्द आप हमारे पार्टिसिपेंट से कहें. So I am going to go forward. Unmute Dr. Nikunj. Is he available in the conference right now? By the same name? Show me.
साहिबा जी, इसके बाद काइंडली मेरा नाम बुला लीजिए क्योंकि मुझे दूसरी वेबिनार अटेंड करनी है.
Ma'am, please come again with your name.
My name is Upasna Arora.
Upasna जी, बिल्कुल. मैं अभी आप तक आती हूँ. I am trying to connect with Dr. Nikunj Agarwal, which is not happening. So let's start with Dr. Upasna. आपका बहुत-बहुत स्वागत है.
हेलो
जी
निकुंज जी आवाज सुन पा रहे हैं मेरी?
हाँ जी, मेरी आवाज आप सुन पा रहे हैं?
जी बिल्कुल आपकी आवाज आ रही है. तो उपासना जी थोड़ा सा मैं टाइम चाहूंगी, कुछ 2 मिनट का वक्त आपका और चाहूंगी, तब तक हम निकुंज जी से सुन लेते हैं। नेक्स्ट इज यू फॉर श्योर। सो निकुंज जी, बहुत बहुत स्वागत मैं आपका करना चाहूंगी एंड चाहूंगी कि आप प्लीज हमारे पार्टिसिपेंट्स को एड्रेस करें।
Sorry to
थैंक यू सो मच, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आपने मुझे इस
sorry to
प्लेटफॉर्म पे मेरे को इन्विटेशन मिला और एक अवार्ड मिलने का मौका मिला। मैं एक सीनियर जॉइंट रिप्लेसमेंट और स्पोर्ट्स आर्थ्रोस्कोपी सर्जन हूं, जो कि घुटने के गठिया बाय या कंधे के या कूल्हे के जो भी डिसऑर्डर होते हैं उनको देखता हूं, उनके लिए सर्जरीज करता हूं। और स्पोर्ट्स इंजरीज, मेरे काफी पेशेंट्स हैं जो कि एथलीट्स हैं, कन्नम मल्लेश्वरी जी, काफी स्पोर्ट्स इंजरीज स्पेशलिस्ट एथलीट्स हैं जो मेरे पेशेंट्स हैं। मैं इस स्पेशलिटी में पिछले 15 साल से काम कर रहा हूँ और मैंने ट्रेनिंग मोस्टली यूनाइटेड किंगडम यूके से करी है, सिंगापुर से करी है और हार्वर्ड मेडिकल स्कूल यूएसए से करी है। From last 12 to 13 years, I've been operating and doing joint replacement surgeries and sports arthroscopic surgeries, and I've done more than 3,000 joint replacement surgeries and 2,000 sports arthroscopic surgeries. I'm doing my practice at Max Super Speciality Hospital, Vaishali, and Max Hospital, Noida. And I work in Patparganj, New Delhi, by the name of Center for Advanced Joint Surgery के नाम से मेरा क्लिनिक है, जो मैं पटपड़गंज और नोएडा में रन करता हूँ। और मैं जो भी ऑर्थोपेडिक या जॉइंट रिलेटेड पेशेंट्स होते हैं उनको देखता हूँ, उनकी सर्जरी करता हूँ। एंड आई होप एंड आई विश कि सब लोग सेफ रहें एंड दे टेक केयर ऑफ योर बोन एंड जॉइंट हेल्थ।
Thank you so much, sir, for addressing us, and it's indeed a pleasure to have an eminent and experienced doctor as you in our conference. It's totally our pleasure, and thank you so much for enlightening us with your work and about your field. It's totally our pleasure.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir. And moving forward, उपासना जी हमारे साथ हैं। उपासना जी, आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत और अपॉलॉजी मैं पहले से ही आपसे करना चाहूंगी, आपको काफी वेट हमने करा दिया, तो मैं चाहूंगी प्लीज कुछ चंद शब्द आप हमारी ऑडियंस से अब कहें।
नमस्कार, मैं उपासना अरोरा। हम यशोदा सुपर स्पेशलिटी हॉस्पिटल में कोरोना वार्ड चला रहे हैं। 100 बेड्स हमने कोरोना को दिए हुए हैं और ये बहुत ही मुश्किल समय है सभी के लिए, लेकिन खास करके अस्पताल में काम करने वालों के लिए बहुत ही मुश्किल समय है, क्योंकि हमें अपना भी ध्यान रखना होता है, साथ के साथ हमें अपने भर्ती मरीजों का भी ध्यान रखना होता है। लेकिन आप लोगों के इस अवार्ड के लिए मैं आप लोगों को धन्यवाद देती हूँ, क्योंकि हर कोई भी पुरस्कार हमेशा उत्साहवर्धन करता है, तो इसलिए एशिया अचीवर्स को बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। थैंक यू।
थैंक यू सो मच उपासना जी, आपने अपने कीमती समय से हमें वक्त दिया एंड फॉर एड्रेसिंग एवरीबॉडी प्रेजेंट इन द कॉन्फ्रेंस। तो हमारे बीच में बहुत जल्द श्री प्रताप चंद्र सारंगी जी जुड़ने वाले हैं, तो उनके बारे में भी मैं आपको बता देना चाहूंगी। ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टर ऑफ स्टेट ऑफ माइक्रो स्मॉल एंड मीडियम एंटरप्राइजेज, एनिमल हस्बेंड्री से डेयरिंग एंड फिशरीज एंड गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया से है ये। And very shortly we'll have him amongst us. इस कॉन्फ्रेंस का हिस्सा बहुत जल्द बनने वाले हैं, हमसे जुड़ने वाले हैं। So in the meantime हमारे बीच में कुछ और पार्टिसिपेंट्स हैं। विकास पाटिल जी हमारे बीच में है। विकास जी, आपका बहुत बहुत मैं स्वागत करते हुए आपसे गुजारिश करना चाहूंगी कुछ चंद शब्द हमारी ऑडियंस से, हमारे पार्टिसिपेंट से कहें। विकास जी, अगर मेरी आवाज सुन पा रहे हैं। विकास पाटिल जी, आपसे गुजारिश है कि प्लीज अपना माइक अनम्यूट करें एंड से अ फ्यू वर्ड्स।
Good afternoon, all of you. I am Vikas from Civila Group. I am audible?
Yes, sir. Absolutely you are.
Good afternoon, all of you. I am Vikas Patel from Civila Group. We are working as a architect and civil engineer. Our aim to eliminate the task of dividing any task into different architecture and construction company. We are one of the first startup in construction in UP East. हेलो
जी सर, आपकी आवाज आ रही है। आई थिंक अरुण सक्सेना सर का माइक म्यूट हो गया है अचानक से।
Am I audible, madam?
Yes, sir, you are.
Okay, fine. So, shall I introduce myself?
Yes, sir, please go ahead.
My name is Arun Saxena. First of all, I would like to extend my heartfelt thanks to the Asia Today for giving me this opportunity to have this award on this occasion. And I'm thankful to the entire team, the staff members of Asia Today on this occasion. I have done MBA, LLB, and LLM, and this year I'm also pursuing PhD. And I'm a faculty in the prestigious institution, that is Prestige Institute of Management and Research in Law. I'm in the Department of Law, and I'm a communication and soft skills trainer as well. I have imparted the training to the 15,000 students up till now, and I have written 2 books. The first book is on the LLM, that is on social transformation, and another book is on research methodology. Now I'm going to write my own books that is going to come in the market. That's on phonetics on English. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
That's really versatile, and I'm sure that must have been a lot of hard work. So much curriculum you have been involved into, and it's our pleasure to have you here, sir. And thank you so much for addressing our audience. And कुछ आप challenges ऐसे बताना चाहेंगे जो कि आपको COVID times में आए हो?
Actually, madam, बहुत challenges आए थे कि what happened when we used to take the online meeting or the online classes of the students. So during that time, it was like a havoc that some of the students used to message me, sir, we are corona positive this time and we will be joining the class later on. So we were so afraid that how we can teach the students what are the things which they can take in a precautionary way. So we asked them to students to wear the mask all the time, and then hand your wash time and again, so that you can be very that way where you cannot be infected. So that time we were very afraid of the things which we were listening to the news from the student side, and we all faculty members tried to help them, the students, to take a precaution, ask them to not to leave the home until and unless it is very important, and that's all we did.
So much, sir, for letting us know about your experiences. It indeed is a very challenging time for everybody. We all are trying to cope up with it, and I really hope that we soon get over with these times and there's a cure in the market. Let's just hope for the best.
Yes, thank you.
Wonderful
so much.
to know you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Such a lovely portfolio, and my heartiest congratulations to you. Now, हमारे लिए बहुत ही गरिमा का समय है। सारंगी साहब हमारे बीच में चुके हैं। मैं शाहिबा को कहूँगा कि सर को वेलकम करें।
जी जी बिल्कुल। विजीत नंदराज योग जी हमारे बीच में है। He is MD of Golf Design India. विजीत जी आपका बहुत-बहुत स्वागत अभिनंदन मैं करना चाहूंगी हमारी इस कॉन्फ्रेंस में। एशियन अचीवर्स अवार्ड 2020 में आपका बहुत-बहुत स्वागत है। साथ ही साथ आपसे गुजारिश करना चाहूंगी कि कुछ हमारे पार्टिसिपेंट से, हमारी ऑडियंस से कुछ चंद शब्द आप कहें, अपने एक्सपीरियंसेस के बारे में शेयर करें। मुझे सारंगी जी से मैं पहले गुजारिश करना चाहूंगी। सारंगी जी हमारे
ना जाना पड़ेगा वीडियो लगी।
हमारे एक खास गेस्ट हमारे बीच में आज के कार्यक्रम सदस्यों से मैं निवेदन करूंगा सभी लोग अपना माइक म्यूट कर लें ताकि
सभी को मैं बताना चाहूंगी श्री प्रताप चंद्र सारंगी जी, ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टर ऑफ स्टेट ऑफ माइक्रो, स्मॉल एंड मीडियम एंटरप्राइजेस, एनिमल हस्बेंड्री, डेयरी एंड फिशरीज से है, गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया से है। साथ ही साथ ही इज अ पॉलिटिशियन in Balasore, Odisha, and serves as a national executive member of Bharatiya Janata Party. He won Odisha Legislative Assembly 2 times from 2004 to 2009, and then again from 2009 to 2014. Both the times from Nilagiri constituency. He revolutionized primary education and rural areas through the innovative concept of community-funded Ekal Vidyalaya and single teacher school. So heartiest welcome for times of COVID or the challenges you as a team might have come across. सो मैम की आवाज आ नहीं पा रही है, तो मैं आगे बढ़ते हुए बाबू एस पंजरा जी एमडी है प्रोमिनेंट प्रॉपर्टीज से। बहुत बहुत स्वागत मैं बाबू जी का करना चाहूंगी और गुजारिश करना चाहूंगी कि कुछ चंद शब्द हमारी ऑडियंस से, हमारी कॉन्फ्रेंस से कहे। बाबू एस पिंजरा जी from a prominent property।
अगर और कोई नहीं बोल रहे हैं तो साहिबा जी आपके माध्यम से मैं डॉक्टर बोल रहे हैं, आपके माध्यम से कुछ बताना चाहूंगा। जो भी लोग अटेंड कर रहे हैं, स्पेशली बोन एंड जॉइंट प्रॉब्लम्स आज इस कोविड दौरान में काफी है। मेरे जितने मरीज बढ़ते जा रहे हैं उससे दिख रहा है कि बैड पोस्चर्स और वर्क फ्रॉम होम कंडीशंस के चलते बैक पेन और नी पेन्स बहुत ज्यादा हो गए हैं, और कुछ शोल्डर रिलेटेड प्रॉब्लम्स भी बहुत ज्यादा हो गई हैं क्योंकि हाउस होल्ड हेल्प नहीं मिल रहा है, मेड्स वगैरह नहीं है, उसके चलते लॉकडाउन में बोन एंड जॉइंट प्रॉब्लम ज्यादा हो गई हैं। आपके माध्यम से बस मैं ये सबको बताना चाहूंगा कि ऑर्थोपेडिक इश्यूज और बोन एंड जॉइंट प्रॉब्लम्स को सीरियसली लें और इसको इग्नोर ना करें, एज रिलेटेड समझ के इसको टालें ना, और जैसे डायबिटीज और बाकी सारी बीमारियों को सीरियसली कंसिडर करते हैं उसी तरीके से बोन एंड जॉइंट प्रॉब्लम्स का भी इलाज मौजूद है। उसको सही तरीके से इलाज लें और कंसल्ट करें, वीडियो कंसल्टेशन के माध्यम से या फिजिकल कंसल्टेशन के माध्यम से, और अपनी आप को स्वस्थ रखने की पूरी कोशिश करें, स्पेशली ड्यूरिंग दिस कोविड टाइम्स।
जी बिल्कुल, that was a wonderful piece of knowledge, डॉक्टर निकुंज।
बहुत अच्छी जानकारी डॉक्टर साहब, और ये सभी पार्टिसिपेंट्स के लिए बहुत ही फ्रूटफुल रहेगी। इस उम्मीद के साथ हम कार्यक्रम को आगे बढ़ाते हैं।
धन्यवाद।
ये दोनों हो चुके हैं।
ओवर टू शाहिबा जी।
अर्पित गांधा जी का मैं स्वागत करना चाहूंगी, जनादेश पब्लिक रिलेशन से है। अर्पित जी बहुत बहुत स्वागत है आपका हमारी कॉन्फ्रेंस में। गुजारिश करना चाहूंगी कि कुछ शब्द हमारी कॉन्फ्रेंस से आप कहें। अर्पित जी अगर मेरी आवाज सुन पा रहे हैं। अमल, सो अर्पित जी की आवाज हमें नहीं आ पा रही है, सो आई वुड मूव फॉरवर्ड टू डॉक्टर अमल कुमार। अमल कुमार जी अगर मेरी आवाज सुन पा रहे हैं।
Yes, I am available.
जी सर, हार्टिएस्ट वेलकम, आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। चाहूंगी कुछ हमारी ऑडियंस से आप चंद शब्द कहें।
I would like just to tell you one thing, that it's my thanks to Asia Achievers Award that they have considered the name from this remote area for this achievement. And whatever you are doing in the name of promotion and other activities really appreciable, because in pandemic time also you are organizing such type of activities. So I think it's really your innovation to handle this function this way. And I congratulate you all. I'm in this field since last 35 years. And only few people are coming to this area because I'm in very remote area of Gujarat where people don't come. And you have taken a pain to be at this place and considering that a few cases from this area for the award. I think really I'm thankful to you. Thank you. You are muted. You are muted.
Yeah. Thank you so much, sir. It's our pleasure to hear from you. It's wonderful to have you here.
Thank you. Thank you.
Now moving forward, हमारे बीच में है मिस्टर आयुष अतुल मिश्रा जी। आयुष अतुल मिश्रा जी, आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। तत्वन ई क्लिनिक से है and he is the best social and rural healthcare and business of India. So first of all, congratulations for the award and स्वागत करते हुए आपसे गुजारिश करना चाहूंगी कुछ चंद शब्द हमारी ऑडियंस से कहे। मिस्टर आयुष अतुल मिश्रा जी अगर मेरी आवाज सुन पा रहे हैं।
Yes, hi, I can hear you.
Yes, आपको बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं सोशल एंड रूरल हेल्थ केयर अवार्ड at India level. national level. And बताना चाहूंगी तत्व ई क्लिनिक से हैं आयुष जी, गुजारिश चाहूंगी सब प्लीज कुछ चंद शब्द हमारे ऑडियंस से कहें.
Yeah, hello everyone. I am Ayush Mishra and I am CEO at Tatvan eClinics. We are a telemedicine company and we are working in India for the past 2.5 years. Apart from India, we work in Afghanistan, we work in Maldives, in some parts of Africa, and in Uzbekistan and Tajikistan as well. Our objective is to sort of connect small towns in India and rural India to doctors of the big towns. तो for the same, हम लोग छोटे छोटे टेलीमेडिसिन के क्लिनिक सेट करते हैं छोटे शहरों में और गाँव में, और उनको कनेक्ट करते हैं बड़े शहरों के डॉक्टर से. हमारे मोबाइल क्लिनिक्स और स्टेशनरी क्लिनिक्स यूपी में है, उत्तराखंड में है, महाराष्ट्र में है, आंध्रा तेलंगाना में है. We are also starting up in Gujarat and Bengal now. So yeah, and in the lockdown we have worked really hard because काफी सारे patients जो हैं वो अपनी regular समस्या के लिए हॉस्पिटल या डॉक्टर के पास नहीं जाना चाह रहे थे. So telemedicine became a good tool for them and we have worked really hard to do that. We are happy to sort of inform that we are one of the most awarded telemedicine company, not just in India, but in other parts of Asia as well. So and thank you Asian Achievers Award for this for this welcome. So yeah, so that would go from me. Thank you so much. Over to you, Saiba.
Thank you so much, sir. And I think you are just taking care of a wonderful segment and काफी ध्यान देने की जरूरत है रूरल एरियाज में, जो कि काफी लोग इस चीज को नहीं ध्यान देते हैं. डॉक्टर्स है, शहरों में फैसिलिटीज है, बट रूरल एरियाज कभी आज की डेट में भी जो है नजरअंदाज हो जाते हैं. तो अगर वहाँ फैसिलिटीज दे रहे हैं तो हाई respect for that and my great appreciations, and thank you so much for enlightening us with your words, with your work. It's a pleasure to have you here.
Thank you. Thank you.
And moving forward, हमारे बीच में है Dr. N.V.J. Rao. He's the registrar of the IET University. आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत करते हुए मैं डॉक्टर राव आपको गुजारिश करना चाहूंगी चंद शब्द आप हमारी ऑडियंस से कहें.
Am I audible?
जी जी. Yeah, sir, you are audible.
So good afternoon, one and all.
Hello, जी sir.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
We started this university in 2018, but before that I have 32 years of experience in administration and also academics. So I am a doctorate from management. So we are specialists in engineering education, providing quality education. We have students from different parts of Eastern India, besides Nepal, Bhutan, Sudan, Saudi Arabia, Vietnam, Sri Lanka also we have students. So we have 7 programs accredited by National Board of Accreditation and also NAC we have. So we have been imparting technical education, besides that MBA, MSc, then BSc Agriculture and other BBA and also programs. So we have been Hello. Oh, sorry for the interruption. Hello. Am I audible?
जी sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Please go ahead.
Yes, sir, you are audible.
We we conducted online examinations. From July onwards, we have been conducting online classes for art semester also. So COVID has actually taught us so many lessons. We have been updated from time to time how to teach and all that. So thank you very much. Thank you very much for this forum, and we are very much thankful to Asia Achievers Award team to identify as the best university for placement. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir, for your words, and keep up the good work. You are doing a great job, and it's wonderful to have you here. And now moving forward, I would like to invite Dr. Arpit Gajantra, जनादेश पब्लिक रिलेशन से है. आपका बहुत स्वागत करते हुए आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करना शब्द से कहे. अर्पित जी, over to you.
Thank you so much, team, for this organizing this thing. I am Arpit, and I am proprietor of Janadesh PR. Basically, we are dealing with social media marketing, branding, digital marketing, and printing solutions. We are also ISO 2000 certified company, 9001 2015 certified company, and we are dealing with the branding and all the solutions. So it would really be great to have an awardee like you. Thank you so much for the same.
Thank you so much, sir. And would you like to talk about the challenges you might have come across in COVID times?
Yeah, definitely. In COVID time, I mean, definitely challenges were there. But as I told you that we are into the digital marketing, so that was the digital era has started good way, or you can say that increased the scenario, and we are moving great ahead with the digital India. So that was great. Although our staff was at home place, and over there also they can also work. So that was good thing what we did. But yeah, definitely COVID had we faced a lot of challenges. Yeah. Hello. Hello.
Please unmute yourself.
Am I audible?
Yeah.
Yeah. Mr. Vijit Nandraj Yogji, Golf Design India से है, and he is our awardee. India's most trusted golf architectural firm. बहुत बहुत स्वागत, अभिनंदन and शुभकामनाएं आपको अवार्ड के लिए. And चाहूंगी कि कुछ चंद शब्द आप हमारी ऑडियंस से कहें.
Sahiba, this is Isha again. As I mentioned earlier, Mr. Vijit was supposed to leave for a meeting, so I'm representing on his place.
Okay. So Mr. Vijit is not there
Yes.
at the moment, and we have somebody else on his behalf. Isha ji हमारे बीच में है. Moving forward to the next. Isha ji, आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगे about the challenges as a team you might have come across?
You're not audible,
जी,
Sahiba.
ईशा जी, आवाज
Hello.
सुन पा रहे हैं? जी, आवाज आ रही है मेरी? Am I
Yes,
audible
Sahiba.
to everyone?
Yeah. Please tell
ईशा
me.
जी, या आपसे मैं जानना चाहूंगी कुछ अपने चैलेंजेस के बारे में बताइए. एज अ टीम आपको क्या चैलेंजेस आए, या विजीत जी के काम में कोविड टाइम्स में आपको किस तरीके से चैलेंजेस से कोप अप करना पड़ा?
Well, the nature of our work is such that, Sahiba, honestly, we were lucky enough to not face as much challenges as other sectors have, because well, everybody, like all other sectors and every other department, we were also working from home, and primarily we specialize in designing and constructing golf courses, as Vijit sir has mentioned earlier. So, well, there was not much hindrance in terms of the work front. Yes, there were there was stoppage of work due to the obvious lockdown everywhere. We were also facing the similar problems.
Okay. So I think yours have been amongst very few professions which were not much impacted, but in a way they were. Like you said, there was a halt in between.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
still I
yeah.
would, yeah, still I would wish you all the very best for future and heartiest
Thank you.
congratulations to Vijit ji. Please convey our regards and our best wishes to
For
him.
sure. For sure. I'll do that. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so
And
much.
I would like to thank Asia Research for, recognizing the work that we do. And I'm just glad that our approach and our contribution towards sustainable development has been recognized by your organization. And we just hope to keep, doing good work and make our planet even more green in the years to come. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Pleasure is all ours, and it's indeed our pleasure to have eminent personalities like you in the conference. And moving forward, मैं हमारे बीच में लोकेश आनंद जी हैं, डॉक्टर लोकेश आनंद जी का बहुत बहुत स्वागत अभिनंदन करते हुए उनसे रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहूंगी कि हमारी ऑडियंस को एड्रेस करें एंड प्लीज एनलाइटन अस with your work.
Okay, thank you, Sahiba. So myself, I am Dr. Lokesh Anand. I am a hepatologist and a gastroenterologist, currently working at Manipal Hospital, Dwarka in New Delhi. So after my MBBS and MD, I did my super specialty training at the Premier Institute of Liver and Biliary Sciences, that is in Vasant Kunj, under Professor Dr. Sareen, who is my mentor. I initially worked there as an assistant professor for 3 years, after which I moved out and initially at Narayana Super Specialty Hospital. And after that, now I'm for the last 1.5 years at Manipal Hospital, Dwarka. So my job profile includes the gastroenterology and the liver part, and I have been by God's grace, I've been lucky that I've been successfully treating many critically ill gastroenterology and liver patients. I have been part of more than 400 liver transplants also. And I have also done my observership at Virginia Commonwealth University at United States, and also did a liver regeneration and transplant at MRM Center for Regenerative Medicine at University of Edinburgh at UK. So now my core area of expertise includes management of alcoholic liver disease, fatty liver, viral hepatitis, autoimmune liver diseases, liver cancers, and chronic liver failures, autoimmune hepatitis. Also many pancreatic diseases like acute and chronic pancreatitis, gallstone diseases, cancers including the gallbladder and the perimedullary cancers, inflammatory bowel diseases, acidities, and other things. We are doing all sort of endoscopies, ERCPs, and endoscopies. So I would like to thank your society, the Asian Society, for considering me eligible for this award, and I wholeheartedly accept this. And this would act as a positive reinforcement to continue to do the good work. And I would also thank to all my patients and their relatives because of whose best wishes I am here. And last but not the least, my family, my wife, my children, who's always there behind me in all my ups and downs. In this crucial era of COVID, we have been working here since the first lockdown. We have not stopped work even for a single day, and luckily not infected till now. So thank you everyone. Thanks for all the best wishes, and may God be with us, and we would keep working towards the happy health of all my patients and their relatives. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Hats off to the commendable job you have been serving your patients with, and keep up the good work. It's just wonderful to know about your experiences. And now, ladies and gentlemen, I think हम लोगों ने काफी एक दूसरे के बारे में जाना, एक दूसरे के challenges के बारे में जाना, and हमारे जो awardees हैं उनसे भी हमारी बात हुई. So I would like to finally announce once again the entire set of people, the entire set of awardees that we have here, one by one, with the alongside the organization they are from. So आप सभी को मैं एक बार फिर से बताना चाहूंगी हमारे सभी awardees के बारे में इस बार एक साथ. So the very first title is the most trusted food product company of the year, and the award goes to Dr. Davis Jain from Prestige Feed Mills Limited. And the next award is outstanding contribution to professional education in center. Again, the award goes to Dr. Davis Jain, who just addressed us from Prestige Education Foundation. Hearty congratulations to Dr. Davis Jain. Moving forward, the best social and rural healthcare business in India. The award goes to Mr. Ayush Atul Mishra, Tatva E-Clinic. And our next awardee is Healthcare Icon of the Year. So the award goes to Dr. Pushkar Sharma. Pushkar Sharma ji ko बहुत shubhkamnaएं. Healthcare Icon of the Year. And the next award is award number 5, Healthcare Hero, Physiotherapist of the Year in Dubai, UAE. Dr. Subhashish Karmankar, UAE. आपको बहुत शुभकामनाएं. आगे बढ़ते हुए अनाउंस करना चाहूंगी हमारा अगला अवार्ड जो कि है मोस्ट इनोवेटिव स्कूल with academic excellence in Delhi, and the award goes to Mrs. Veena Mishra, National Victor Public School. Heartiest congratulations, Mrs. Veena Mishra. And moving to the next award, the Healthcare Achievers Award of the Year.
Award announce हो गया, मैं तुमसे बात करनी. Thank you, thank you, Saiba, thank you.
Pleasure's all ours, ma'am. It's wonderful interacting with you.
Can you announce the category? I missed out. I was having a meeting.
Yeah, most innovative school with academic excellence in Delhi.
Thank you, thank you.
Veena Mishra ji, National Victor Public School.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Going forward, Health Achievers Award of the Year, oncologist Dr. Manish De. Manish ji को बहुत शुभकामनाएं देते हुए आगे बढ़ते हैं. Exemplary Women in Education of the Year, Dr. नागज्योति कोइपिल्ला जी. इनसे शायद हमारी बात नहीं हो पाई है, बट बहुत मैं शुभकामनाएं सर को देना चाहूंगी. Exemplary Women in Education of the Year. And somebody speaking. मुझे किसी की आवाज आ रही है पीछे से. कोई कुछ अगर कहना चाहता है तो you can raise your hands. Okay, let's move forward then. So moving to the next award, which is 9th Best Education Achievers Award, Administrator Dr. Amal Kumar. Amal Kumar जी को हमारी बहुत शुभकामनाएं. Best Education Achiever Award in Administration. And now, ladies and gentlemen, moving to the next category of award, which is Best Emerging Physician in Chhattisgarh, Dr. Animesh Chaudhary. Animesh जी को बहुत हमारी शुभकामनाएं. Best Archaeological Remedies Shakti Award goes to Ethos Astrocare से Dr. S.K. शर्मा जी. बहुत शुभकामनाएं Dr. S.K. शर्मा जी को. Ethos Astrocare से है. हमारा अगला अवार्ड है Academic Excellence in Online Education. Award goes to Dole Patil School for Excellence, Mr. Sagar Dole Patil जी. बहुत आपको शुभकामनाएं. आगे बढ़ते हुए अगला अवार्ड हमारा है Most Admired School with Academic Excellence in Uttar Pradesh, which goes to Billabong High International School, Mrs. Preeti Agarwal. प्रीति अग्रवाल जी को हमारी बहुत शुभकामनाएं. अगला अवार्ड भी प्रीति जी को जाता है, जो कि है एजुकेशन वुमेन पर्सनालिटी ऑफ द ईयर उत्तर प्रदेश. हार्टिएस्ट कांग्रेचुलेशंस मिसेस प्रीति जी. Moving forward to the next award, Outstanding Social Service for COVID-19 Victims, Dr. Ashish Chopra. आशीष चोपड़ा जी को हमारी बहुत शुभकामनाएं. Moving to the 6th award, Best Single Specialty Hospital, Urology, Prasanta Hospital, Dr. Dhruva Srinivasan Chakra जी. बहुत आपको शुभकामनाएं. Moving to the next award, Excellence in Healthcare Management and Administration. Award goes to Mr. Dhruva Srinivasan Chakravarti. Again, heartiest congratulations once again to you. Now moving to the best one is the Best Cancer Specialist in Asia, Dr. Brahmanand Satyapati ji. बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं आपको.
Yeah, very good afternoon. Yeah, सबका स्वागत है.
Yeah, good afternoon sir. आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगे?
Yeah, I am Dr. Brahmanand Satyapati. I am helping the people or cancer patients all over the globe. Already I trained from Tata Memorial Hospital, Mumbai, and specialized in healthcare global Bangalore and worked in BL Kapoor Social Specialty Hospital, Delhi. Now I'm working as a chief radiation oncologist in KMC Health City, Meerut. And it's my privilege, and thanks to all the Asian Achievers Award organizer and all the ministers, all the dignitaries, all people are coming and sharing their views. It's my first Zoom meeting. So I just want to know how the Zoom meeting people are doing, but we are helping the people, cancer patient in the COVID period, and with risk and all the precautions we are helping. So very good. It's my pleasure to share my views. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. It's equally our pleasure to have you here. And moving forward to the next award, First Bengali Management College in Bangalore. The award goes to Florencia Healthcare, Mr. Chandidas Mukherjee जी. आपको बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं. Florencia Healthcare से है ये. And इनका award है First Bengali Management College in Bangalore. बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं. And moving forward to the next award, Most Promising Academic Incubator in India. The award goes to JECRC Incubation Center, Mr. Manish Jain. Heartiest congratulations, Manish ji. आगे बढ़ते हुए अनाउंस करना चाहूंगी हमारा अगला अवार्ड इंडियाज मोस्ट ट्रस्टेड गोल्फ आर्किटेक्चर फर्म गोल्फ डिजाइन इंडिया, जिससे हमारे बीच में मौजूद है मिस्टर विजीत नंदराज योग जी. आपको बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं to get this award. And now moving to the next award, Best Startup Design and Building Construction Company in North India, Civil Arts Group, Mr. Vikas Patil. बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं सर आपको. आगे बढ़ते हुए बेस्ट असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर अवार्ड हिंदी goes to जयंती लाल बी बारिस जी. डॉक्टर जयंती लाल बी बारिस आरके डिजाइन कॉलेज ऑफ एजुकेशन से है. आपको बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं. Next award is Best English Teacher Award Communication and Soft Skills, Mr. Arun Saxena. Arun Saxena जी आपको बहुत बहुत हमारी शुभकामनाएं Asian Achievers Award से. Next is Best Multi-Speciality Hospital of the Year, यशोदा सुपर स्पेशलिटी हॉस्पिटल. उपासना अरोड़ा जी हमारे बीच में अभी उन्होंने कुछ चंद शब्द भी कहे थे. बहुत बहुत आपको शुभकामनाएं उपासना जी. Next is Best Healthcare Services Provider Company, मिड इंडिया हेल्थ केयर सर्विसेज प्राइवेट लिमिटेड, जिससे हमारे बीच में हमारी इस कॉन्फ्रेंस में मौजूद है डॉक्टर सचिन कसाट जी. आपको बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं. आगे बढ़ते हुए हमारा अगला अवार्ड है बेस्ट हेल्थ केयर रेवेन्यू एंड रिस्क मैनेजमेंट सर्विस प्रोवाइडर, अचला सर्विस प्राइवेट लिमिटेड, मिसेज स्मिता कसाट जी. आपको बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं हमारी. हमारा अगला अवार्ड है हेल्थ केयर अचीवर अवार्ड फार्मास्यूटिकल कंपनी फ्लोरेंसिया हेल्थ केयर. अगेन डॉक्टर रेशमा मिश्रा जी. आपको हमारी बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं. हार्टी कांग्रेचुलेशंस. The next award is the Best Real Estate Consultant in Delhi and NCR. The award goes to Property XPO, from which we have Mr. Amit Kumar Gehlot ji. Amit ji, आपको हमारी दिल से शुभकामनाएं. Okay. Moving forward, Best Private Law College in Punjab, Aryan Group of College, Dr. Anshu Kataria ji. Anshu ji, आपको बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं for having served wonderfully in the pandemic time. Next is Healthcare Achievers CEO of the Year, Dr. Dashbir Singh Chatwal, NKS Super Speciality Hospital से है. आपको हमारी बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं. आगे बढ़ते हुए अगला अवार्ड है हमारा बेस्ट इंस्टीट्यूशनल स्किल डेवलपमेंट एजुकेशन वाइडिंग बोर्ड NIED एजुकेशन काउंसिल, जिससे हमारे बीच में मौजूद है डॉक्टर धनराज. धनराज जी को बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं. आई गेस किसी का माइक म्यूट नहीं है, तो मैं गुजारिश करना चाहूंगी एक बार फिर से माइक जिस किसी का भी म्यूट नहीं है वो प्लीज म्यूट कर लीजिए।
Your mic is mute, Sahiba ji.
Am I audible now?
Yes, yes, you are.
Yeah.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, very much, very much,
Healthcare-
very much.
Healthcare Achievers Award Best ENT Clinic डॉक्टर शशिधर टीवी, आपको बहुत बहुत हमारी शुभकामनाएं। अगला अवार्ड है बेस्ट यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ Best University of Eastern India in Academic and Administration. The award goes to GIET University, Dr. N.V. Jagananda Rao. Heartiest congratulations, sir. Next is Best Plots Marketing Company, Prominent Properties. Mr. Babu Pinjarji, आपको बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं. And moving forward to the next award, which is Best.
Connectivity to health.
The next award is Best Gynecologist and
Masood was connected very.
Anybody wants to say
Great.
something? Okay, किसी का माइक अगर म्यूट नहीं है तो प्लीज म्यूट कर लीजिए. So I would move forward with the next award, which is Best Gynecologist and Fertility Consultant in Odisha, Dr. Rabi Narayan सत्यापति जी. बहुत बहुत आपको शुभकामनाएं देते हुए आगे बढ़ते हैं हमारे अगले अवार्ड की तरफ, जो कि है बेस्ट डर्मेटोलॉजिस्ट एंड हेयर स्पेशलिस्ट इन ओडिशा, डॉक्टर अनीता राठी जी. आपको हमारी बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं. एंड द नेक्स्ट अवार्ड इज डॉक्टर कृष्णा मूर्ति, छत्रपति शिवाजी सुभारती हॉस्पिटल से है ये. कृष्णा चक्रवर्ती जी, आपको हमारी शुभकामनाएं. The next award is Education COVID-19 Warrior of the Year, Dr. Shailya Raj, Swami Vivekanand Subharati University से Dr. Shailya Raj जी को बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं. Heartiest congratulations. Next is a Healthcare COVID-19 Warrior of the Year, Dr. Rohit Ravinder जी, लोकप्रिय हॉस्पिटल से हैं. रोहित जी बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं. Next is the Best Startup Hospitality Management and Consultants Company in India, Gemini Hospitality Consultant, Mr. Harminder Singh Saluja ji. Heartiest congratulations. Moving forward is the Best PR Company in Gujarat, Janadesh Public Relation, Mr. Arpit Gantra ji. Arpit ji बहुत बहुत आपको हमारी शुभकामनाएं. Next is the Best Land Reformer in Nasik, and the award goes to Gangotri Estate and Developers, Dr. दीपक छावन. दीपक जी बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं देते हुए अब अगला अवार्ड हमारा है बेस्ट प्राणायाम एंड मेडिटेशन मास्टर योगा इन नेचुरोपैथी. अवार्ड गोज टू मिस्टर गजेंद्र कुमार. गजेंद्र कुमार जी को बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं. द नेक्स्ट अवार्ड इज द बेस्ट आयुर्वेदिक डॉक्टर इन बिहार, एंड आवर अवार्डी फॉर द सेम कैटेगरी इज डॉक्टर आर.के. सिंह. आर.के. सिंह जो है निधन आयुर्वेदा से हैं. आपको बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं सर. मूविंग फॉरवर्ड इज द बेस्ट एजुकेशनल टीचर ट्रेनर इन महाराष्ट्र, प्रोफेसर धर्मांतरा गंगाधर वेवल जी. धर्मांतरा जी को बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं. लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट इज द बेस्ट एजुकेशन अचीवर अवार्ड, मिसेस लतिका सुशील भाटिया जी. एंड ओके, वी हैव अ फ्यू मोर. Healthcare Achievers of the Year Consultant Surgeon is Dr. Ajit Singh. अजीत जी बहुत बहुत आपको शुभकामनाएं. आगे बढ़ते हुए बेस्ट hepatologist and gastrologist in Delhi and NCR award goes to Dr. Lokesh Anand. And here we have last but not the least, Best Plots Marketing Company, Dr. Babu S. Pinjar जी. आपको बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं. इसी के साथ ये थे हमारे सारे अवार्डीज. सभी को मैं दिल से शुभकामनाएं देना चाहूंगी फॉर एशियन अचीवर्स अवार्ड 2020. यू पीपल हैव बीन डूइंग अ वंडरफुल जॉब एंड सो इज द रीजन आवर सोसाइटी हैज बीन एबल टू कोप अप विद दिस टफ टाइम्स. जी विनोद जी, आप कुछ कहना चाह रहे हैं?
Sorry to interrupt. Actually, my name was not in the list, so I was just reconfirming.
Yeah, I would just
Dr.
recheck with the
Nikunj
team.
Agarwal.
Yeah, I would just recheck with
What's
the
the
team.
name not in the list?
Hi, Dr. Nikunj. Is it
So
Dr.
just
BN
give
from
me a
Meerut?
moment. Yeah, I'll just
Hello.
get it checked.
Hello, Dr. Saab. How are you doing?
Hello. Yeah, I'm from Meerut, radiation oncology cancer specialist in KMC Hospital,
Great.
Meerut.
Nice to
Welcome
see you on
sometime
this
we will meet.
platform. I am a joint replacement surgeon placed in Delhi, Delhi
right.
NCR, Noida.
Okay.
And I specialize in joint replacements and arthroscopic surgeries.
Yes,
and
sir, yes,
I'm
Great.
having a practice at Max and have my own.
Great.
Okay, welcome.
Sir,
Please give your contact
there
number,
is a
please.
there is a one advice to all our members. If you people will prepare some good presentation of PPT, so what we'll do after announcing your award, we will flash that. We have the provision in our this license Zoom application. It is my advice to all the participants. If you shared your some good clip or some presentation, 1 or 2 pager, it will be
Okay, sir.
very nice and it will be visualized to everybody, sir.
Sure,
Because
we will
what
do that.
we are planning, we will create we will create a one series of this, and we will make a one complete YouTube video that we will put officially on the link. Like today 3 ministers and many people come, later on people also share the same link to on their website, sir. And we also happy you people also share this award, these lovely movements on your social media, so the maximum eyeball. See, the basic idea of our organizing this event, visualize the people who really making something in their life, in particular their field. Like sir is giving a very wonderful, you can create your own small video. We will share in the group. So silently, everybody can watch later and download the all videos and all presentations about each and everything. Right, sir?
Okay, sir.
And we
Thank
will
you so
make it
much.
more transparent and more visual to people.
We will
definitely.
Small present.
Thank you very much, sir.
Indeed. So Nikunji, our apologies for having for our team having missed this name.
Over to Saiba.
Right. Yeah, am I audible?
Yes.
Okay. So Nikunji, बहुत मैं आपसे माफी मांगना चाहूंगी for our team having missed the name in the list, and I would now like to announce Dr. Nikunj Agarwal as the best orthopedic surgeon in navigation joint replacements and astroscopy surgeon. तो आपको बहुत शुभकामनाएं एशियन अचीवर्स अवार्ड 2020 की तरफ से.
Yeah, hi, hello.
जी.
Yeah, this is Dr. Anita here. I think you missed out my name as well.
Okay, so Dr. Anita's name is missing as well. Anita's.
Actually,
Ma'am, I'm just getting checked
you
on
do
that.
one thing, Shaiba ji, you flash that PPT on. You flash this PPT into the messenger section, so everybody can check their names there.
Sure, sir. I'll ask the team to
Please
do that.
You are the host of this webinar, so from your memory or your mail, you can fetch that list and share it, please.
Sir, I don't have the list.
Saiba ji, can you hear?
Handed over the list.
Saiba ji, can you please repeat? I can't hear your words because. Hello.
Even your voice is not audible, sir. Hello. We are not able to hear you properly, sir. I think so. Some internet problem.
So we are not to hear anything.
Actually, some internet issue is there. Some technical. We are able to hear you properly, sir. I am over to Shaiba. Saiba, please unmute yourself.
Okay, so we had a couple of names missing, which I would once again go ahead and announce. Dr. Neil Agarwal, Best Orthopedic Surgeon in Navigation Joint Replacement and Arthroscopy Surgery. A heartiest congratulations, sir, as sir was not here while I was announcing. So now moving forward is Dr. Anita Khokharji, Healthcare Achiever Award, Preventive Medicines. Heartiest congratulations, ma'am. In Preventive Medicines में हमारी awardee हैं. अनीता जी, आपको बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं and apologies for having missed the name. So, ladies and gentlemen, once again, a big gratitude to everybody for being so patient throughout this conference. Dr. Ashish Chopra जी का भी नाम रह गया है. Dr. Ashish Chopra है outstanding service for COVID-19 victims. Heartiest congratulations, Dr. Ashish Chopra ji. And इसी के साथ this was all with our list of COVID warriors. आप सभी को बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं and आपके patience के लिए, आपके सहयोग के लिए throughout this conference में बहुत बहुत तहे दिल से आभारी हूँ. साथ ही साथ विनोद जी का भी मैं तहे दिल करना चाहूंगी for being a companion throughout this conference as a wonderful host. And once again, giving big gratitude to each and every awardee of this conference. I would like to sign off now. Keep doing the wonderful work, and people like you in our society in this hour is a prime need. So you guys are doing a wonderful job. Just keep it up, and we have a high appreciation, and we're full of gratitude for the wonderful work you have been doing for the society. So once again, a big gratitude from Asian Achievers Award, and giving my heartiest congratulations. I would like to sign off. Vinod ji, अगर कुछ कहना चाहते हैं तो कह सकते हैं. So thank you so much, everyone, for your patience. Anybody who would like to say some final words, they may. All right. With this, I would like to sign off. It was wonderful knowing each and every one of you, and बहुत ही अच्छा लगा आप सभी के बारे में जान के about your fields, about the challenges you have come across, and about the wonderful work you guys have been serving. And I would just wish you all the very best for future. धनराज जी हमारे बीच में कुछ कहना चाह रहे हैं. धनराज जी जी sir, you'll have to unmute yourself.
Let it continue till 30.
Ask the host to unmute him. Yeah, sir, I'm getting you unmuted. I will just ask the host to do so. So it will take a while. We are just connecting with the host of the conference. Dhanraji is waiting to be unmuted. Ask the host.
You want to host now?
Okay. So we have now unmuted Dr. Dhanraj and.
Yes, am I audible?
Yeah, sir, you are.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much, Asia today, and our viewers. You all challenges to give this beautiful opportunity to us. Credit to my whole team, my whole coordinators, my whole officers, my whole co-directors, and all center directors are working punctually for this nation. and we are working since 2012 in the sector of skill development and development of vocational and industrial training in India. So I would like to thank you so much, all of you, to have me and giving me this beautiful opportunity. I would like to thank you so much once again, ma'am, for this beautiful moment. And thank you so much. And that's all. You are muted, ma'am. You are muted.
Thank you, Dhanraj. It's really a wonderful afternoon with all of you. It was a marathon meeting, and we heard so many things people are achieving, and it's a rising time of India. And
Yeah.
you people are the real stars in the society who
Yeah.
made. Actually, country is not only the land. Country is not all about the buildings. Country is all about the people and their character and their will, what they want to do in their format for the country.
Of
And
course,
it
sir.
is a good time for all of us, as well as the right time with our nation leadership. We are into a positive side. And
Yeah.
thank you very much for giving us such a valuable time. And my heartiest congratulations to all of you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Over to Shaiba. Please unmute yourself.
Ma'am, you are muted.
Saiba ji, unmute yourself.
Yeah.
Hello. Hello. I think so, Shaiba ji, आप unmute हैं.
हो गया? Okay, great. So since I didn't have the access, I could not myself unmute myself. So we are left with the last awardee, Dr. Reshma Mishra ji. Florencia Healthcare से है, and the award is Healthcare Achiever Award in Pharmaceutical Company. मैम बहुत बहुत आपको शुभकामनाएं. डॉक्टर रेशमा मिश्रा जी, अगर हमारे बीच में है, मेरी आवाज सुन पा रही हैं, तो कुछ चंद शब्द हम आपसे सुनना चाहेंगे. रेशमा मिश्रा जी. So as we are not able to hear from Reshma Mishra ji, so I guess the audio is finally connected.
I think so. Some people are not properly able to unmute
right
himself and herself. So we are unmuting everybody. We are giving right to unmute yourself. But when somebody is speaking, so please do not open the mic.
Vinod ji,
Please.
as you are the host, you will have to unmute Reshma Mishra ji from your end.
Yes, sure. They can unmute themselves.
See here.
Yeah, they can unmute from their own side.
I want to say something.
Reshma. Yeah, please.
Okay, so this side Dr. Garima from this group. I want to say that like how we are going to get the awards. What will be the process?
How we are going to get the awards?
Yes.
They're asking.
This is the research company, which is actually have a. Actually, everybody open the mic. That is the problem.
Yeah, Sahiba.
So over to Vinod ji.
Allow them to unmute. our anchor allow you, then only please speak. Otherwise, the whole content will miss out.
So before I sign off, I would request Mr. Vinod to say a few final words on behalf of Asian Achievers Award 2020.
Thank you, Saibaji, for organizing this event such a colorful, with your knowledge, with your experience. You give the opportunity, all the people with the patience and fully concentrated and participating this event throughout the first second of this show. And yes, this is the time where we have to improve many things. This is one, we are organizing this event rather than in a big event, is going more than big online event, when more than 50, 60, 30, 35 people are regularly participate in this complete event. And my one...
Please unlock your device for this.
I'm adorable to, if there is any problem, I think so. My mic is, yeah, it's okay. Sorry. Thank you. So thank you to Shaiba Dayal organizing such a lovely host of this event. All the participants, especially that 3 people are very, very active in this group. To Mr. Pradeep Chaudhary ji, who is actually behind the curtain, is doing this all hard work. And I'm very thankful to Suresh Prabhuji for such a valuable time. He gave us such a great advice and blessings. Sarangi Saab, Pratap Singh Sarangi ji, one of the really a example for the nation to prove himself as a true Indian. And we have our National Secretary BJP, Sachin ji, he also give us so many advices and blessings. And I am thankful all the members who participate and all the team of Asia Achiever Award behind this. I heartily give the blessings. I heartily congratulate them. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you so much, Vinod ji. आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया हमारी कॉन्फ्रेंस को एड्रेस करने के लिए, and you have been a wonderful companion throughout. And before I close the show, I would like to pay gratitude to Worldwide Achievers for organizing these
awards. साहिबा जी हमारे बीच में एक बहुत ही एक्सपीरियंस्ड और मीडिया के एक पिलर हैं, इंस्टीट्यूशन है. सर उस समय थोड़ा ट्रैवलिंग में थे. नाउ ही इज अवेलेबल. आई एम पासिंग ऑन द माय वीडियो कॉल कॉन्फ्रेंस टू अजय जी. अजय उपाध्याय जी, वन ऑफ द सीनियर जर्नलिस्ट, वेरी renowned. He is the man, first time ever in world recognized when he break down so many big news into media, and we are lucky today he is with us. He is also traveling with me, so please I am requesting him to bless us and give us the opportunity to listen him. Just few minutes, I am passing on. Just hold on, wait a minute.
I didn't understand that.
Hello to everyone. This is Ajay Upadhyay. I've been okay. So many congratulations. Yeah, so thank you very much. So many congratulations to the Asia Achievers award participants. And I have been listening to a part of it. I could not listen the entire proceeding, but it has been a magnificent participation. And I think the way the Asia Award, Achievement Award is taking its shape, it's beautiful. And I think in the years to come, it will acquire a shape which will give dimensions to it like a bird in the sky, which will take long flights. And I think the award winners who have worked hard during themselves, the kind of challenges which many did not dare during this period, I think they are praiseworthy. They have hitched their wagon to the stars, and I think it's a wonderful moment for all of us to associate ourselves with them. Thank you very much. Thank you.